When looking for church management software, One Church Software stands out as a popular choice. But before you commit, there are some crucial things you should know. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of how it stacks up against other options and whether it's the right choice for your church. The first thing you need to know is how easy it is to set up. One Church Software promises a simple installation, but keep in mind that some users report a steeper learning curve compared to other platforms. While it's user-friendly once set up, don't expect a super quick start if you're unfamiliar with church management tools. Next thing, the pricing. One Church Software offers a variety of pricing plans, but it can get a bit confusing. Their basic package may look affordable, but when you start adding features, it can get quite pricey. This is a key factor to consider, especially when comparing it to other church software solutions that may offer a more predictable cost structure. The third thing to consider is member management. One Church Software offers solid tools to track members, attendance, and contributions. However, some competitors provide more advanced features like detailed segmentation and automated member engagement, which could make a big difference if you have a large congregation. Now let's talk about event management. One Church Software does a good job of tracking events, but it lacks some of the automation features seen in other software. If you're looking for tools that can automate reminders, emails, and event follow-ups, you might be better off with a competitor that offers more sophisticated event workflows. The fifth thing to keep in mind is communication. One Church Software allows you to send mass emails and texts, but it doesn't have as many advanced communication features as other platforms. If your church relies heavily on integrated communication tools, you might find that other software options offer more flexibility. Next thing, integrations. One Church Software does integrate with several popular platforms like QuickBooks and MailChimp, but it's not as expansive as other church management systems. If you rely on a variety of third-party tools, you may encounter limitations in integration options. The seventh thing is support. One Church Software offers customer support through email and phone, but the response time can be slower than competitors, especially during peak times. If you need immediate assistance, this may be a drawback. Now let's talk about reports and analytics. One Church Software does provide basic reporting tools, but compared to some other platforms, its reports are somewhat limited in customization. For a church that wants detailed analytics or visual reports, you might find other solutions more appealing. Next, let's address mobile access. One Church Software has a mobile app, but it's not as robust as some alternatives. If your team relies heavily on mobile access, be prepared for a more basic experience compared to competitors that offer more feature-rich mobile applications. The 10th thing you need to consider is security. One Church Software has strong security measures in place, but it's important to note that some competitors offer more advanced security options, especially for larger organizations that handle sensitive information. The 11th thing to note is the volunteer management system. One Church Software does offer some tools to manage volunteers, but other solutions often provide more comprehensive features like scheduling, tracking hours, and automatic reminders to ensure everything runs smoothly. Lastly, let's talk about scalability. One Church Software works well for small to mid-sized churches, but if you have a large church or are planning for rapid growth, you might find that other software options scale better as your church's needs grow. So, is One Church Software a good option? Yes, it offers solid features and a user-friendly experience, but there are some limitations compared to other solutions. If you're looking for something that checks all the boxes for your church's needs, we recommend you check out our top pick, which offers a free trial so you can try it out risk-free before making a decision.